In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching on your PC or laptop. First, restart your computer. This will close any background processes that may be preventing Roblox from launching. Once your PC restarts, try opening Roblox again. If Roblox still doesn't open, right-click the Start menu and select Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this may be called Apps and Features. Search for Roblox, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. After Roblox has been removed, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. In File Explorer, locate the Roblox folder and delete it. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Sign into your account, open any game, and click the Play button. When prompted, click Download Roblox. Once the installer has finished downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Roblox. After the installation is complete, try launching Roblox again. If Roblox still won't open, install the Microsoft Store version instead. Open the Xbox app, search for Roblox, and install it from there. If you're using overclocking software such as MSI Afterburner or RivaTuner, close those applications completely and try launching Roblox again. Also, check your antivirus or Windows security settings and make sure the official Roblox application isn't being blocked. If necessary, add Roblox as an allowed or trusted application. And that's how you can fix Roblox not launching on your PC or laptop.